Hey everyone, welcome back. In episode 1, we built leather from scratch. Today, we bring it to life in Adobe Firefly with real photography, packaging, and video. So, let's get started.
This series is created in partnership with Adobe. Let's open Adobe Firefly. If you're new to Firefly, this is the home page. Everything starts here, whether you're generating images, video, or editing something you've already made. Now let's generate our image. For the model, I'm selecting Gemini 3.1 Nano Banana 2. This is currently one of the strongest models for keeping a reference product exactly as designed, which matters a lot for us since we don't want our branding to shift at all. I'm setting the aspect ratio to square 1:1 and the resolution to 4K. Now the most important step, I'm uploading our reference image. This is the exact rosemary shampoo mockup we generated and downloaded back in episode 1 in Adobe Express. Uploading it as a reference tells Firefly, keep this bottle, this label, this logo exactly as it is. Don't redraw it, just build a new scene around it. Here's the prompt I'm using. I'll leave it on screen so you can pause and read through it yourself. And there it is, our rosemary shampoo now sitting on a dark rustic stone surface surrounded by fresh rosemary sprigs, natural sunlight casting long shadows. From a flat mock-up to a real ingredient story shot. Same exact process for the other two, green tea and cucumber face wash and coconut body wash. Same model, same settings, same steps, just a new reference image and a new prompt each time. Now let's go in close. Same model, same 1:1 aspect ratio, same 4K resolution. The settings stay consistent, only the prompt and the shot type change. A close-up on the cap, water droplets on the surface, the label softly out of focus behind it. This is our detail shot. Same process applied to all three products, shampoo, face wash and body wash, each getting their own macro detail shot. Last shot type for this section, lifestyle. I'm uploading our coconut body wash mockup as the reference. And here's our body wash, sitting on a wet marble counter in a real bathroom setting. This is what sells the experience of using it, not just showcasing the product. Same steps repeated for the other two products. 9 images, 3 shot types, 3 products, all built from the exact same reference image method. Now let's design the box each product would ship in. Same model, Gemini 3.1 Nano Banana 2. Same 1:1 aspect ratio, same 4K. I'm uploading our rosemary shampoo mockup as the reference. Here's the prompt. And there's our box. Same sage green, same rosemary detail, new format. Same process for the other two, just swapping the color and detail each time. For the video, I begin by clicking on Generate Video. I select VO 3.1 as the model, set the resolution to 1080p, choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, set the duration to 8 seconds and keep audio turned on. Next, I upload the rosemary shampoo as the reference image and enter the following prompt. Finally, I click Generate to create the video. I follow the same workflow for the remaining products, updating only the reference image, prompt, and aspect ratio to match the creative objective. This results in a complete set of campaign-ready creative assets for the entire product line. If you'd like to recreate these results, You'll find all the prompts used throughout this episode in the description below. With our product visuals and videos complete, we're ready for the final stage. In episode 3, we'll bring everything together in Adobe Express and create a cohesive marketing campaign for our brand. I'll see you in the next episode.